I had heard about uncle and auntie, but at that time I was out of India, so I couldn't come.
Son, it was a very horrific accident. Both of them lost their life on the spot. Gupta ji and your father were very close friends. And you are also part of the family. You've been knowing us from your childhood. You know the entire family. I really don't know what's going to happen with Riya. You know our situation. We cannot take care of Riya.
Uncle, you don't worry at all. I'll take care of Riya very well.
What were you looking at?
I was just thinking how fast you have grown up. Riya, there is a birthday party tonight. If you could come. Even if you come by 9, that will do. And I'm sure you'll like it. You'll enjoy it.
Just look at this guy. He's so freaking hot. Look at his abs. Look at his muscles, yeah.
Don't you have to go home? It's already 11:30.
Who wants to go home? Anyway, Akash is not home.
Why? Where is he?
He must be in some party.
Why didn't you go then?
I don't want to go to Oldie's party.
You think a 40-year-old man is old?
Okay, maybe not oldie, but you know, he's very annoying. Whenever I talk to him, I feel very depressed. He talks about weird stuff, you know.
Yes, brother.
Where are you? Come home fast.
Okay, I'm coming.
Who will tell me right in the morning that I have grown up so much?
My mom also says the same thing to me.
No.
She tells me, look how big you've grown.
No, it was not like that.
What is going on? Huh? When you want the money, you'll call 10 times. And when you have to return the money, you'll never pick up the call. Huh? You've got 10 excuses when you have to return the money. Get out from here. If you don't return me the money in 3 days, I will break both your legs. Did you understand? Get out now. They'll think that they'll never return our money. These idiots. You didn't go to the party.
He hasn't come yet.
Was he trying to hit on you?
Are you crazy? Why would he hit on me?
You know, you women have this one major problem.
The problem is not hers. The problem is in you.
If someone cares for you, then great. If not, then bad.
Really?
Remember that guy from Pyar Ka Panchnama? He said the right thing. I'm never gonna have a girlfriend.
Then will you have a boyfriend?
That is my headache. You don't need to worry about it. But I will always be single. No girlfriends at all.
The fault is that you've made her a goal, not your aim.
What do you mean?
Someone who doesn't get a woman talks like this.
You don't need to worry about me, okay? I'll handle it on my own.
Okay, fine, leave it. Let's go for a movie.
It's 11:30.
Yes,
By the
sir?
time we are done, it'll be 2:30.
Yeah, then it's fine. By then he'll be sleeping.
The goal is that you have to win over her. But the aim is that you have to get her anyway.
Why are you talking like this?
Hey, don't talk to me like that. You have to return my 75 lakhs.
Come on, let's go for
no,
a
no,
movie.
I'm not coming.
Don't try to act over smart. Let's go. Let's go
No,
for
I'm
a
not.
movie.
Your EMI is going to come. Return it on time. Otherwise,
Come on, let's go.
But dude, 11:30 to 2:30?
Yeah, then what? What a big deal. Let's go for a movie.
I'm not making an excuse, brother. You can understand how the markets are. Yes, I'll let you know. Riya, there is a Kathak concert in the evening at Bharat Auditorium. I have got some passes and you are very much interested in dance. If you want, you can come. We'll go and watch it together.
I like to dance, not to watch Kathak. Okay, I'll join.
Okay.
Do you know Akash?
Yes.
Man, he wants to take me for Kathak.
Why Kathak? You can message him, yaar.
What message?
That I don't want to go to this Kathak thing. Tell him to roll the passes and put it in the dustbin.
Come on, man.
Obviously, yaar. What else?
You're mad.
I tell you, your Akash sir, he's a nutcase.
Don't talk like this.
Sheetal, see this frame? Nice, na?
Hello? What are you doing? Such a bad makeup artist. I'm getting bored. He doesn't know anything himself. What will he teach me? What are you doing? Yeah,
Riya!
I will talk to you later.
Riya! If you wish to work with me, then these phones must be switched off, okay? And I hope you don't forget that you're working with one of the biggest and famous makeup man of this city. If you want to be my assistant, then you must leave all of this, okay? What?
I need 2.5 lakhs immediately. You know how close I am to your family. We know each other for a long time. Brother Ramesh, please adjust this in next deal.
Akash, your deal was 1 year ago. You know that very well. You want me to give you another 2.5 lakh rupees? Brother, I cannot do that.
Give it to him.
I will not give. If you want, You can give it. I know you have a lot of money.
Are you sure? I'll give him.
Okay, brother, you can keep my car's keys, but
Okay.
please give me some money.
That will do. I believe in just one policy.
I'll give you a call.
And take. Why will you call?
Shut up. Don't ask me so many questions.
Yes, Ria.
Akash sir, I saw a laptop only for 80,000 and 2% discount.
You
too.
want a laptop?
Yes, I have to work on tutorials. It's very important.
Okay. Okay. Buy it.
Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Tell me, how do you tolerate that, Akash?
Dude, he got me 80,000 rupees laptop. Today I can't say anything. He celebrates even the tiniest thing. That too with cake. Approximately 50 cakes a year. Hopefully he won't bring a cake today too.
I would have committed suicide had I been in your place. He is so irritating, yaar.
Dude, he's not stupid. But he definitely has some disorder. Okay, forget it. Tell me the name of site.
Which one? You mean dating site?
Ria. Cake for you. Your favorite cake.
Cake! This is my favorite flavor.
Yes.
Knife?
I'll-
I'll go get it. I'll get it. Come on, check my laptop.
Wow.
Look at this. This is so cute.
Happy?
I'm very happy.
Good,
I'll just get a
good.
knife. Please
Yes.
come and sit. I'll get a knife. Come and
Okay.
sit, please. I'm coming.
I couldn't manage 80,000.
Again less. You were going to give me the full amount.
I had to buy a laptop.
You keep gifting her so many things. Does she even love you?
You want to start business? For that, we need Ria's money. So we have to expense. Otherwise, how will I convince her?
Next time, I want the full amount.
I don't feel like working out, man. Damn. Are you done?
Yes.
Let's go out then.
Dude, you've gotten very lazy. You've stopped working out. Being consistent is very important.
Man, I want to talk to you about something. I'm not able to do anything. I'm not able to focus on anything.
Why? What happened?
Forget about me. Are you going to do something in your life or not?
Dude, I'm opening a high-tech gym. I'm going to be earning a lot. Why don't you manage it?
Then do it soon.
Yeah, I'll open it, but let me first find a place.
Okay, listen. If I say place will be mine and money will be yours, then
Then we are partners.
are you sure? Done.
Mind-blowing. Too good. What a prime location. There isn't any gym around at all. Such a perfect place this is.
Look at this. This section will keep it for weights.
Perfect. And I was thinking I'll put chest press over here. And we'll break this wall. And this wall as well. And I'll break this and make this a reception. And this will be our cardio section. And we'll break this wall as well.
We will stay upstairs.
Oh, no. I'm going to reconstruct everything. That'll be the steam. And that'll be for functional training.
Jimmy,
And,
where will we stay?
Oh, Akash bhai, it's just a matter of 2-3 months. It'll get done like this. You will have a bungalow by then. You'll be bathing in rain of money, sir. I'll go have a look upstairs. Oh, wow, what a view it is. I'm going to break this bedroom and make it a salon. I'll break the second bedroom and make it a protein shop. And a cafeteria on the terrace. And a sauna steam in the living room. This is gonna be great. Wow, Ria, wow. What a place you've shown. Akash, bro, let's get started with the agreement process. and quickly we'll start reconstructing the entire place.
The bungalow is mortgaged with me. How can you make the agreement?
That's what I came here to talk about because papers are mortgaged with you. If you give me the original papers, then I can make an agreement with her father. He wants to see the papers.
You'll make the bungalow and make a gym there.
Oh no, nothing will happen to bungalow and I don't want to build a gym. But once the agreement is done, I can get some advance. I'll pay you EMIs in advance. Because EMI is always a burden for me. You know that I'm unemployed and making no money for a long time. You know everything. Please help me a little.
Akash bhai told me that I need to tell the plan to you as well so that there's no confusion. It's a very simple plan. I'm going to break the entire building. I'm going to get all foreign equipments. You know, Akash bhai, it's better to have clarity beforehand itself. I'm going to break the entire bungalow. 50 lakhs is the investment and the equipments are going to come from Singapore. And if you're okay with it, then we'll start the work from tomorrow itself.
For now, keep everything aside. When are you going to put 50 lakhs in my account?
Why should I put it in your account? Who are you? The idea is mine, investment is mine. Why should I put it in your account? Akash bro, why should I put it in his account? Akash bro, I've cleared everything beforehand only.
The agreement will be on my name.
Why should I do it with you? Akash bro, why should I do it with him? Do you even have a bit of knowledge about the gym, huh? Do you know what's required? All the equipments I should bring. I should put money in your account. What will I get then? An empty basket. Should I go beg around? You think I'm a fool or what? What kind of a nonsense is this?
Because the papers are mortgaged with him.
If he has the papers, then what should I do? You think I'm an idiot or something? You're making business with me, okay? Bloody, I'm getting dumbbells from Singapore.
I will smash your head with that dumbbell. Bloody, you'll make a gym, huh?
Jimmy, please listen to me. Jimmy, please listen.
Arey bro, what does he mean he'll hit me with the dumbbell nonsense?
Come on, man. Give him the money.
It's not his money. It's my hard-earned money. You have not seen Vicky. He looks like a bloody vulture. He's a very dangerous man, you know.
But Akash sir is a good person. He's a gentleman.
Dude, I know Akash bhai is a very nice man. He's loyal and that's okay. But look at this vulture Vicky. The gym hasn't started and he wants all the money already. Already people tell me that I'm innocent. They mean I'm dumb. And if I work with this guy, then I'm sure everyone will call me dumb. And why are you getting involved in all of this? You focus on your career. Akash bro has already lost everything. And for him to get out of this situation is impossible. You should move on, yaar. Come on, grow up.
How can I move on? I can't leave him in such situation. He has always supported me and I cannot leave him like this. I can't be this mean. I was 12 years old when in an accident I lost my parents. Only he supported me. All my relatives left me. He has been a perfect guardian. Look, Jimmy. If you don't want to have a business with Vicky, then it's okay. Have another business with Akash sir, where Vicky is not involved.
I'll think about it.
Please.
Let me think about it first. Don't worry. Everything will be alright.
I will sell the bungalow and get my money back. But if you don't get the girl ready and start the business quickly, then you're going to be finished.
It's not working, brother. Tell me, what should I do?
Akash, sir? I have had a word with Jimmy. Actually, he has planned something. He will take us tomorrow somewhere. I'll keep you posted.
But why are you putting me in this scene?
You charge 5 times more interest than market. Please help me a little.
Now you'll see how good I'll act. Kidnap the girl right now. That's the dialogue, right? Call me before you leave, okay?
Please don't do that. Don't overact. It's been difficult for me.
Don't stress so much. I've done drama in my college times.
Yes, I can see that.
Are you making fun of me?
No, brother, I'm not making a joke. I'm just telling you the situation. Look, if this business starts, then only I can pay you back. And you can understand it.
Keep the phone now.
I found a resort in Lonavala. Why don't we go and have a look at it? Why did they stop the car in the middle? Who are these people? Why are they coming towards us?
Oh God, this is Vicky. Listen, Ria. I couldn't pay him back on time. No matter whatever he does with me, you don't come out.
Akash,
Sit
sir,
inside,
why are you
okay?
going out? Please don't go out. Let us call police. Akash, sir.
Laddie, you are going to run away with my money.
Brother, Vicky,
You're running
Vicky,
away.
please listen to me.
You'll take
Brother,
my money
please,
but don't
please
return
listen
it.
to me. I'll
Huh?
manage.
Am I a fool?
Please listen to
Get
me.
up.
Brother, Vicky, please don't touch Ria.
I'm money.
Akash, sir, leave him.
Get away.
I said leave him.
I want my money
Ria,
back.
you go away.
If you don't return my money in 3
Leave
days,
him.
I will kidnap
I
this
said
girl.
leave him.
You've ruined her life, man. She wanted to grow so much. She wanted to have a career of her own. She wanted to enjoy and have fun, but you've not left her anything now. What was her fault? It's almost like she owes her life to you. Without you, bro, she just cannot move on. She's not left with any options, not left with any choice. You've built these bloody bungalows, but where's the money now?
Come on, you have no right to preach me. I made a lot of money.
Where have you earned it? Where is it? Show me now.
I
Show
have
me.
no money because I didn't want Ria to be in trouble. I used to be in gold business.
What business?
I used to take gold to different cities, one city to the another.
Where's the gold now?
Can't do anymore because police has doubt. And even if I restarted, Ria would be in trouble. It will take no time for police to pick her up. Wherever I am, whatever my situation is, just because, and I am not able to do it. And I can't even tell her.
Hasn't she found out yet?
She doesn't know. Who'd have told her? She's not a trouble. As a guardian, she's my responsibility. I can't tell her.
Is there any way to get out? Do you have any plan?
Yes, there is one. You need to convince Ria. Brother, you need a ladies' partner and this is a profitable business. You just need to take the stuff and transfer it to the other city. Gold is hidden inside female garments.
And what if she gets caught then?
Brother, there is no chance. And even if she's caught, it can be managed. Nothing will happen. This is a good business, Jimmy. I have all the information and chain of this business. Just because of police, I cannot do, so please, you do it. Look, the money you are investing in Jim, invest that money in this business. And I can give you in writing. It will be triple in 2 months. And please do not let Ria know that I'm involved in this business with you. She is living with me. She will get wrong thoughts about me.
Listen, bro. You know, I had an old business before. I used to supply gold from one city to another. So, it's a bit risky, but if there's a female partner, then it'll be easy to put it in her garments and import, export all of these things. There isn't much risk in this. So I was wondering if a girl could come and help me around with this. It would be an easy way to earn money. And I wanted to ask if Ria could help me out. So if you're okay with it, then can I ask Ria if...
Have you gone crazy or what? I can't put Ria in this danger.
Akash, sir, that goon has threatened to kidnap me. It's not that dangerous.
I promise you, Akash, brother. If anything happens to Ria, then I'll be there. I'll keep her safe from all of this. If anything happens, then we can sort it out. I'll keep her very safe, Akash, bro. Trust me.
Are you going to be single whole your life, or you're going to get someone?
If ever a beautiful girl comes and approaches me and proposes to me, then maybe I might think about it, you know?
People think that you are naive, but you are not naive. Chill, I'm just kidding. What's your name, girl? Ria.
You hide it in your bra or what?
Jimmy? Jimmy? Listen, I have to talk to you about something. I don't want to do this job. You know, I'm very scared.
You know what, you're right. Even I was thinking of talking to you about it. Just to help somebody out of their mess, we cannot put ourselves into trouble.
Come on, let's get married. Since childhood, I always wanted to be a bride.
Your brain has stopped working or what? Just because you want to wear a gown, we should get married? I cannot think about all of this for the next 10 years. Please.
I was just kidding, dude. Chill. Fine, I'll just be back.
Hello?
Ha, Akash bro. I was just about to call you.
Were you sleeping?
No, I'm working out.
Is Ria there?
No, she's not with me right now. She's in the hotel. She was a bit too tired, so we stopped by near Goa.
What happened? You were supposed to meet a client. You didn't go there.
He was waiting for you.
No, I'm getting ready and I'll go and meet them now. Akash bro, I wanted to talk about something important to you. Ria and I are getting married. Akash bro, please don't feel bad, but I don't think we want to do this job anymore. We're not happy with this job. Also, the 50 lakh investment that I've given you, I want you to return it back to me. Whatever the
Profit is, whatever the amount is, you keep it.
Okay. I just want to see Ria happy. There is nothing more important than that for me. Once you come back, I'll return your money.
I'll arrange a grand wedding for you too.
Akash bro, thanks a lot.
By the way, where are you staying? I'll inform the client. He himself will come to meet you.
Ha, Akash bro, that'll be perfect. You send them. Hotel Royal 302. I'll repeat it again. Hotel Royal 302.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thanks, Akash bro.
Oh man, what happened? I didn't expect this. They're getting married. If I return his money, I'll go bankrupt. There is only one way now. Either I lose or make them lose.
Did you check the papers of White Mercedes?
Yes, I did.
Yes, tell me. Why you not in office? Hospital? What are you doing there? Pregnant? You recently got married and you're already pregnant. Now who will manage my office? This is highly unprofessional. Don't you think you should have discussed this with me earlier? What was the need for such early pregnancy? You are only pregnant, you have not yet delivered. Why are you not in office? Now who is going to do all this work? Who is your doctor? Meet my gynac. No one advises not to work during pregnancy. No one quits office during pregnancy. You girls get married early and want early pregnancy. You girls want to get pregnant, have kids, that's all you want to do. Don't you have any other goal in life? Oh God, I don't know all this. My files are missing. I do not have computer knowledge. How will I manage my work? When you need salary, you'll stand on my head that you want it on the first of every month. You have to come. I don't know anything. You have to come. Listen, you can't talk to me like this. Don't shout at me like this. Talk to me properly. My files are missing. I have no computer knowledge. I was completely dependent on you. I did not know you will suddenly quit my job. You please reach office as soon as you can. Listen, don't argue with me like this. Please be in office as soon as you can. Understand?
Once you went to the jail, I sold the bungalow to return money to Vicky. Everybody started doubting me that I was also involved with you. So I left the city and came here. Sweetie's husband died in a car accident. So I married to her. I took care of her and her children, and she took care of me.
You're a very good person. God did the right thing for you.
Life is not that difficult anymore. It's much better now. There is no debt. But about you, I cannot even explain about it. I can't even imagine. What will you do? What are your plans?
Since I came back from prison, everyone is scared of me. I was thinking of going to Bangkok, but I need a dress for passport. Can I stay with you in your house for a month? Anyway, you have helped me a lot. I swear this will be the last help.
It's okay. I will try. You don't need to worry. I'll do something. I'll find a way out.
Thank you.
You remember I had told you about Ria? Her parents had died in a car accident. Actually, she needs a place to stay. So if you have no problem,
You think my house is a guest house?
She's very good with computers and accounts, and we have to pay no salary. And you know that Sweetie is totally useless in this. There is nothing big, you just have to make entries.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Come, Ria. Come. Sweetie, she is Ria. Ria, she is.
Yeah, okay. I hope you have explained it to her. You know your job?
Okay.
If you ever need anything, don't come and eat my head. You will have to do it by yourself.
Okay.
Show her the room upstairs.
Okay. Let's go.
The goal is that you have to win over her. But the aim is that you have to get her anyway.
Akash, Riya. I have been waiting for both of you. I'm getting late.
Ria, make it
Can you
fast.
please zip it up for me?
Me?
Yeah. Thank you.
Vishnu ji, you need everything for free. Tell me, why are you so stingy? Let's do one thing. Let's do this deal for free. You need to update client details in the system. Okay, I can ask you anytime about it. I need all client details. ID proof, address proof, okay? Open it. Show it to me. The client's insurance, RC book. Please ensure there is no mistake.
Okay.
The client's ID proofs, all original documents. I need all the A to Z details in it.
Okay.
Why don't you go and check if all the cars have been
yes.
washed?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
How is it going?
Actually, I'm not able to do it. Can you please help me out
Okay.
on this?
See, look, this is the whole client list. And these are their details.
Okay.
Over here, you have to write about them.
Ma'am, actually, my shower is not working. Can I use yours?
Okay, you can use it. But please be ready quickly.
Yeah.
Have you kept everything in the car?
Yes.
Okay, please get the cars washed properly.
Okay.
I'll be meeting my children after so long. Listen, I'll be returning after 2 days. And one more thing. Please don't switch on the AC. And yes, you have to attend a client. Please go and meet him in the hotel. Okay? Am I forgetting anything? And yes, the client is a little shady. Please take this girl along with you for the meeting. There should be some benefit of letting her stay here. Please do take her along. Please manage everything properly.
So, what do you think about our offer?
Your offer is good. Okay, give me some time. I will let you
Okay.
know.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't like meeting clients at all. Okay, Ria. Looking at you, it doesn't feel that you were in a jail. I mean, you're so beautiful. I don't know. But there are times when I miss those old days. But it scares me. The bad times can come back. I had certain liabilities, but you really suffered a lot. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Hello? Yes, tell me, sweetie.
Did you not treat the client well?
No, there's nothing like that.
He said you showed a lot of attitude.
No, I didn't show any attitude.
You are very impolite. Why are you so rude always?
No,
Shut up.
No,
I
sweetie,
know
there
you
is
very
nothing
well.
like that.
You have ruined my deal.
no, I didn't
Don't
do
argue
anything
with
like
me
that.
like
Why
this.
don't you believe me? I offered him beer. What?
You think you are very
Oh,
oversmart?
oh, I was totally all right.
You are very high-handed.
No, that's not true.
You have
I think
no manners. You
he
don't
could not
know how
understand
to
my
talk to
body
people.
language. That's how I said. What
You
did I
have
do?
ruined my deal and you're talking to me like this. How dare you?
I'm not shouting. I'm just making you
I
understand.
gave you some authority and this is how you sit on my head. You don't deserve to get any
Well,
authority.
listen. Hello. Just a minute. Just a minute. Talk to Ria. Talk to
I
Ria.
do not want to talk to that girl. I only want to talk to you. Do you understand?
I'm not happy with this woman at all, Ria. I don't know what was wrong with my destiny that I got married with her. Those bad days, that was better than this. You must be thinking that I am very happy with this car and bungalow, but I'm not happy at all. She always humiliates me. She never talks to me straight. I'm tired with this life. Sometimes it feels like that I should commit suicide.
go. Are you okay? Are you okay? Listen, you drank a lot. We should stay here in the hotel tonight. Yeah? Come. Let's dance. Come on, let's dance.
No. I can't dance.
Wait, let's see. You know I love dancing, right? Come on, let's dance. Let's dance. Come.
Ah
going to spare you today. Come with me.
Listen,
I
listen
sent
to
you
me.
to work and you are cheating on me?
Please forgive me, sweetie,
With
please,
this
please forgive
bitch?
me.
Since how long is this going on? Tell me.
Sweetie, please listen to me. I'll explain. Please.
And I find you in this hotel getting dirty with her.
Don't do this.
How dare you? How dare you cheat on me like this? You let this girl in to do all this?
Don't touch her. Sweet,
You both were cheating under my nose.
please listen to me.
I won't spare you. Come here.
Don't do this. Don't.
I have been looking after you for so long.
Please, not here. Please don't create a scene. Please listen to me. Don't
I
touch
should
her.
have known all this since long.
It's not our fault. Come on, leave me, sweetie. I
Come
don't
here.
understand. You're my wife. I'm your husband.
I
Listen,
won't
listen,
spare
listen,
you, you
please.
bitch. I won't spare
will-
you.
Sweetie, please. Don't do this, sweetie.
I will kill her and I won't
Sweet.
spare you as well.
Leave her.
Come here.
Leave her. Don't touch
I
her.
won't spare her. I'll kill you.
Sweetie, please forgive me.
You dog.
Sweetie.
How dare you ruin my business? You have been cheating under my nose for so long. You didn't find any other place. Why didn't you take her somewhere else? Why there?
Please forgive me, sweetie.
You don't
Please,
deserve
sweetie.
all this. Why did you ruin my business? Tell me.
Sweetie, please.
Why did you cheat on me like this? I won't spare you.
Oh.
Go from here. I don't want to stay with you. You don't deserve all this. You bloody dog. You don't deserve to be with me. I shouldn't have got married to you. You are a loser and that is all you're going to be. Listen. Going forward, if you do something like this, if I ever catch you cheating again, and if I come to know from anyone else that you are cheating under my nose, I am neither going to spare her nor you. Understand? I will teach you such a lesson that you will never forget. And if I ever meet that bitch, I'm not going to spare her either. I'm going to kill both of you. This time I have let you go. Next time I'm not going to spare both of you. Mark my words.
We will leave this city.
I can't come with you. Your life is settled. Why do you want to ruin it?
Ria, I only loved you. If I continue with that woman, I'll die soon.
And I will die of poverty. Poverty was one of the reasons that I committed this crime. And I spent many days behind the bars. I cannot come with you.
Please give me just a single chance. I'll correct everything.
Please don't mind, but your wife is taking care of you financially. How'll you take care of me?
Ria, if you are with me, I can do anything for you.
Then can you kill your family?
Are you crazy? What are you talking? The jail has ruined your mind.
No, you have lost your mind. You can kill them and get the property on your name. After that, we can sell it and go to different country.
Are you gone off? I can't do this.
How to kill them all? Leave that up to me.
Not possible. I can't do this.
Then go back to your wife and let her take care of you. You're habituated to live like this. Listen, we can shift to different country, man. Killing her will not be that tough. Leave that up to me.
I'm feeling so good that you are out with the family. Sweetheart, I'm sure the kids are very happy because you are spending time with them. You bought them gifts, took them to a restaurant for a drive. I'm very happy today. Thank you so much. I think it is my fault that I did not give you time. That is why you started cheating on me. I promise I will never do this again. I will ensure we have a good family time together. Which road is this?
It's a shortcut.
Is it? I think the road is really bad.
But we'll save some time.
Is it? The road is really bad. Please drive safely. It's really dusty here. Please drive slowly. Where did you get us?
Get out.
Are you crazy?
Get out with your children. Come on, get out.
Have you gone mad or what?
Get
My
out.
kids?
I said get out. Just
Please,
get out of
don't
the
do
car.
this. What are you doing? I don't understand. Why are you doing this? Leave me!
Come this way. Come. Come
Leave
with me.
I said!
Come.
Where are you taking me?
Settle
Leave
everything.
me! I want to go to my kids! Have you gone mad? Leave me! Don't hit me! Leave me, I said!
Die, bitch.
Leave me!
Leave my wife. I'm not going to let you live. I will kill you. I will finish you.
Leave me!
You.
Help!
I'm not going to
I'm sorry!
today. You have to make my life
Don't do
hell.
this!
I will show you. I will take all of you.
Please don't do anything to them!
Come. Come.
Leave me!
I'm not going to leave you. Disgusting woman. I will
Leave me!
finish you.
He is a criminal. Please call the police.
Thank you, Ria. Come.
Jimmy, listen. You must call Sweetie and tell her that I and Akash are in room number 604.
As and when he gets ready to kill his wife and kids, I want you to take out the weapon from there. This is the only way to put him behind the bars. On a case of attempt to murder, he'll have to be in jail for 20 years minimum.
Whatever happened with him was not good, but even his life got spoiled.
I thought you were brother! You rotten hell, you jerk!
I was in prison for 5 years because of you. Now you will go for 20 years. That too for attempt of murder of your own family.
Your wife and kids are gonna be the witness against you!